Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a roasted red pepper sauce. Now this is a healthy and low-calorie recipe that can satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your diet. Stay tuned to find out why. So without further ado, let's get started. Diving right into this recipe, and what really makes this excellent is how quick and easy it is to make. So into the bowl of a food processor, we want to add in 16 ounces worth of roasted red peppers. If you're getting them from a jar, you just want to make sure they're drained. And then you also want to add in half a cup's worth of olive oil, half a cup of almonds, 1 garlic clove, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, the juice of 1 lemon, as well as a handful of cilantro. We want to blend all these ingredients together until a puree forms. And once it looks like this, you want to transfer it to a serving bowl, and that's it. This is ready to be served and enjoyed. And just like that, you've made a roasted red pepper sauce right at home. I like boiling up some cavatappi pasta, mixing that in with this sauce and adding some pine nuts as a garnish, and it makes one tasty pasta dish. You can also use this as a dipping sauce for chips or pita wedges. The possibilities are really endless, but when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. Feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make my roasted red pepper sauce, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for this channel. And if you haven't done so already, also hit that subscribe button too to see more recipes just like this one. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make one of my favorite sandwiches, my spicy chicken sandwich. I cannot wait for you all to try this at home. You're going to fall in love with this recipe, I'm telling you right now. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can always check out more on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.